Profit organizations, it has made the public reflect on social issues of universal relevance. And Grazia is, of course, one of the fastest growing style magazines in the country. And this February issue with Pariniti on the cover is no different. I'd like to invite our Grazia editor, Mernaz, on stage so we can do a cover unveiling.
Not so out of town. Are we opening it first, or are we chatting about? Let's ask about the cover a little bit.
We'll do the pictures, yeah.
Just to give everybody a little teaser, you brought this amazing energy that you normally possess to the pages of our magazine and on the cover. So, how was the experience shooting it?
No, you guys asked me to be so restrained and chill and easy, which is only me on a holiday. But honestly, I was telling my team that the reason that I really like my cover this month is because I got to be a different person on the cover. You know, usually you all know me. I'm quite full of life and I like to make everybody laugh. So I'm quite out there. But I like the feel of Grazia. I like how it's so understated and it's so effective even then. It's so easy, you know, effortless. So I like to play that role for that day. I mean, in between takes, I was myself, but in front of the camera, you know, I think I did a good job, and that's why I'm very excited to launch this cover because it's going to be a new me, I think.
So, let's open it up. Let's go for it.
Oh yeah.
Thank you for being on our cover. And I'd like to call upon two winners. We had an online contest to guess who was on our cover. I'd like to call upon our winners to join.
Guess who's on the cover?
Yes, guess. And they guessed correctly. And it was quite a close contest, actually.
Who are the winners? Come. Sumit, तुम जाने दो उन लोगों को. ऐसे ही बोला
Can
जगह
they
थी
make
वैसे.
their way through?
Can we hear it for them, guys, please? Oh, they'll not make it. Come. Run. Hi. So you had to guess who was on the cover.
Yeah.
So how did you guess it was me?
It was quite evident actually. And
Why?
I'm a big fan of yours, so it was easy for me. to
No,
guess.
but I really want to know how you guessed. Because
So
we
I
didn't
was-
tell anyone, nah? You guys didn't give.
Yeah.
Oh, you did a puzzle.
So I was confused between you and your sister Priyanka, so I.
Oh, but I won.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. And how did you guess the puzzle only?
I saw the
haircut. I think in your recent event you had like the same haircut, so I thought.
Oh, smart, smart, smart. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Okay. Thanks a lot.
Here. Come, let's take a picture. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you everybody. Yeah, are there any questions? Actually, I can't make out the press from the peeps. Yeah, Sumit, what is your question? हाँ माइक दे दो यार एक.
Good evening, Parinidhi.
Hi.
You have been always so enigmatic and lots of vigor. Uh, how is it sometimes difficult to keep up the all the energy levels?
No, it's usually fine. I am this person. You know me for 6 years now. So I'm always this person. Matlab if I'm in a bad mood or if I'm not well or if there's something that's affecting my energy, you guys will know. But usually I'm doing a job that I love. I love coming out here, meeting people. I love people. I love acting. So I'm usually in a good zone. And I think the most important job of a actor is to not let you know what we are thinking. I might be unwell or I might be this thing, but I will try my best not to show it to you. So it's part of my job also.
You being in the elite club of 200 now, has the life change things changed for you?
Yeah, it's been great. Actually, Golmaal became one of the biggest hits of last year, 200 crore club. I really wanted to do a film that joined the 100 crore, but usse double ho gaya, so I'm very happy. The kind of films that I'm signing now are amazing. My brand endorsements, everything has become even better. So I'm really happy, and it's thanks to all of you that gave so much love to Golmaal.
हाय परी जी.
Hi.
मैगजीन में लुक आपका बहुत ही किलर है.
अच्छा है?
बहुत ही
हाँ,
मतलब-
मुझे भी अच्छा लग रहा है.
लेकिन इस तरह का कमेंट मतलब बॉलीवुड के इंडस्ट्री से किन किन से सुनना चाहेंगे? मेरा मतलब है एक्टर, क्रिकेटर, डायरेक्टर. आप बताइए.
सबसे आई थिंक अगर directors or producers are the ones who make films and they are the ones whose opinions really matter. So I think if they tell me that I've done a good job, and also from the fashion police, I want the fashion police to say good things. Now I'm getting used to them saying good things about me, so I don't want to break that streak. There. Shout out from there only.
So what is your
I
favorite?
can't see you.
Hi.
Huh.
So what is your favorite look from the shoot, the entire shoot?
स्टाइलिस्ट मैडम कुछ बताओ लुक के बारे में. You say ना. I think my favorite one was on the cover. Actually, it's this. It's the thing is when I reached this shoot, I didn't know what clothes to expect really. I mean, I had an approximate idea, but I didn't know what I was going to wear exactly. Obviously, the team tells you last minute. But I really enjoyed it because all the clothes were damn comfortable. So I didn't feel like I always feel at an editorial or a film shoot where we are wearing, hectic costumes. This felt like I was just wearing clothes that I can wear every day. So I would have to say all credit to Benetton who made really wearable clothes. And I didn't feel like I was shooting for the cover of a magazine. I just felt like I was chilling, It was really, really good stuff. Which is why I'm going to shop after this. That's the plan.
Parinidhi, how is your leg now? Is it?
Leg is a little better. It's not perfect, but it's getting better. It's getting better. Time लगेगा यार, at least 1 साल लगेगा और. क्योंकि I've cut my nerve now, so that whole nerve is snipped. So it'll take time.
Hi, Parinidhi, hi. Towards your right. Hi.
Raise your hand.
Priyanka
hi.
from Indian Express.
Hi.
Hi. Parinidhi, I wanted to know that, when you underwent that weight loss, and a lot of things changed with your body, with your style. Did the producers or directors from Hindi film industry, did they start looking at you in a different way? Did you feel that?
Yeah, I think yes, because it's not necessarily the typical way कि अरे अभी सेक्सी लग रही है तो हम किसी दूसरी नज़र से देख रहे हैं, नॉट एट ऑल, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. डायरेक्टर्स एंड प्रोड्यूसर्स एक्चुअली उससे कई आगे हैं. दे जस्ट सॉ कि आई कुड डू समथिंग डिफरेंट. जब आप एक पर्टिकुलर तरह से लगते हैं, आपकी एक्सपेक्टेशंस उस आदमी से एक पर्टिकुलर तरह की होती है कि शायद ये इतने ही रोल्स कर सकती है या यही कर सकती है. But when you give them a shock like that, they saw me in a different way, which is why even I got Golmaal, because the girl had to do a lot of action in the film. I don't think I would have gotten that if I wasn't fit.
But do you feel sometimes that this is actually a little limiting for actresses, that viewpoint?
No, it'll be limiting for us because we won't be able to do all kinds of films. If we want to do all kinds of roles, action roles, or if I have to play a drug addict, I can't be overweight and I can't look the part then. So it's limiting for us if we are not fit, because then we can't do every kind of film.
Thank you everyone for your questions.
Yes, please. Only take one more question. Yeah. Oh, one more. Is it exciting? Only then.
मैं बहुत बड़ी आपकी फ्रेंड.
Thank you, ma'am.
गोलमाल रिटर्न मैंने अभी तक 16 टाइम देखा.
आप हो वो जिसने 200 करोड़ बनवाया हमारी पिक्चर के लिए.
नहीं, आपको एक्टिंग जो आपका वो स्टाइल है जो गाने का बहुत पसंद है.
थैंक यू.
आप रियल में इतने, जैसे पिक्चर में आप बताते रियल में ऐसे, तो हम एक एसिड विक्टिम है और हम आपसे एक ये करना चाहते हैं, अगर आप हमारे लिए थोड़ा सा एक इवेंट में आओगे तो सब एसिड विक्टिम को बहुत अच्छा लगेगा मैम.
किस इवेंट पे?
पूरे महाराष्ट्र के एसिड विक्टिम है हमारे पास. हम खुद एक एसिड विक्टिम है, तो प्लीज मैं वो इवेंट में आपको बुलाना चाहूंगी.
बिल्कुल. तो जैसे ये खत्म होगा मैं नीचे आके आपसे बात करूंगी, फिर हम लोग डिसाइड करेंगे.
रियल में आप यू आर टू गुड.
थैंक यू. हाउ स्वीट. थैंक यू.
Look in Kesari, if you could tell.
It's a secret. I'm very excited about it, but it's going to start next month. हाँ.
या परिणीति, दिस इज शिल्पा फ्रॉम E24. मेरा सवाल इससे थोड़ा सा अलग है. हाल ही में स्वरा भास्कर ने एक ओपन लेटर लिखा है संजय लीला भंसाली को और कई सारे क्वेश्चंस उठाए हैं जो उन्होंने फिल्म में पद्मावत में दिखाए हैं.
मुझे कौन सा ओपन लेटर?
क्या आपने वो लेटर देखा है या आपने फिल्म देखी है?
स्वरा ने ओपन लेटर लिखा है, मैं घर जाके पढ़ूंगी.
उन्होंने
फिर मैं आपको फोन करूंगी.
Okay, thank you everyone for your questions, and Pariniti,
thank you so much guys. Now time for me to shop.
Yes. And we have something for you already. So I would like to request somebody from Benetton to come and give
What
it
are
to
you
you.
saying? Oh wow. Thank you. Oh wow. Oh wow. I got a voucher. अब सोचो कितनी शॉपिंग होगी. मैं पहले अमाउंट देख लेती हूँ जल्दी से. $20,000 लिखा है इसमें, तो मैं बहुत शॉपिंग करने वाली हूँ. Thanks guys. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Without.